friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of the 20th to the 26th of April. There's lots of fresh new deals and lots of great ones in this flyer. So some of you, like myself, might have received a digital booster, a 7-back when you spend 40. That's what I received. It starts on the 20th and it goes right till the 27th or the 26th, and it's of a one-time use. If you didn't get that booster, you know what I would do? Keep checking your account. It might appear by Saturday evening. Let's hope. As Easter will be celebrated this weekend, typically following Monday, which will be the 21st, a lot of the merchandise will be 50%. And as Easter is one of these holidays, they really like to move this merchandise quickly to make room for summer. I'm thinking it's going to hit maybe 75, 80, or 90% very quickly. And I will keep you up to date on all of that cuteness overload because I think a lot of us love to buy Easter goodies. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday, the 20th. And if you celebrate, happy Easter Sunday. My question to you is, will you be shopping on Sunday the 20th? Let me know in the comments down below. If you could do me a huge kindness and give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Let's try and get this video to 1,000 likes. Is that possible? Pumpkin's in the background saying, hey, let's go, ladies. Let's give this video a big thumbs up. Now, in case you missed it, Walgreens is offering 20 penny 4x6 prints. So you'll order 20 4x6 prints on a desktop computer and use the code 20penny, exactly as pictured on the screen, and you'll pay 20 cents for 20 4x6 prints. And I did this on Friday the 18th and it worked for me. Obviously it's going to stop sometime in the weekend, but try to make this deal happen because possibly that booster of a 5-back when you spend 15 will print once you pick up your photo order, and you must do it on a desktop computer, not on a cell phone or tablet. Starting on Sunday the 20th, right till Tuesday the 22nd, you can use the code FREEPHOTO to get a free 8x10 photo. It's once per account, and you can do this through your mobile app. This is maybe another opportunity for the 5-back when you spend 15 to print for you, but it's a free test of it. But this will not start till the 20th, which is Sunday. The first deal that we're looking at is the $5.99 Neutrogena towelettes. $7 reward when you purchase 2. Picking up 2 of those at $5.99 a pop, that's $11.98. You're going to get back your $7 register reward, making it $4.98 for the 2, or $2.49 per bag of Neutrogena wipes. That is a very good price point. We're going to have to check if there's any digital coupons or IBOTTA rebates. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this with no digital or paper booster. Just use $10 and pay $1.98 to get back that $7 register reward. But what a deal. Now, you know how I was talking about that print deal? If one of these might print out for you, you can possibly use it in the following deal. This 5-back when you spend 15. So what we're going to do for this one is grab 2 of these Scott's 1000. It's a 12 count of this toilet paper. And for a lot of us, this toilet paper will last you a month or so. It's a very good quality, and this is one item I would be stocking up on. Grabbing 2 of these, it's $21.98. Get the cashier to scan your booster. You have $1 digital. You're going to pay $20.98 with your debit card. Get back a $3 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $12.98 for 2, or like $6 and some change per. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay, as you're using the booster of spend 15 to earn back 5. And will IBOTTA have a rebate for this? Definitely hang on to your receipt, because Scott's 1000 is one that it keeps popping up with different rebates. But if you're trying to stock up on paper, this is a great deal. This is back the 2 for $8 on the Garnier Whole Blends or the Fructis. $3 reward when you purchase 2, along with a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So grabbing 2 of these for $8, subtracting your digital, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $3 register reward, making it 2 for 2, or $1 per shampoo. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And definitely your IBOTTA account, if you're buying the whole blends. I know that rebates were popping in and out for that specific Product, will something come back in the week post after you buy these? I don't know, but definitely hang on to your receipt. Vitafusion, there is a supplement, I think, for $13 or so. They're buy one, get one 50% off. IBOTTA also has a 3 back when you purchase 2. So if you want to line up this deal, obviously scan the barcodes in store that you're grabbing the right ones. Grabbing 2 Vitafusion supplements for $20.98 on a buy one, get one 50% off. Subtracting that 10 off to digital, you're going to pay $10.98. Photograph that to IBOTTA for $3 back, making it $7.98 for the 2 or $3.99 per bottle of supplements. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But I know a lot of us really enjoy supplements, so this might be the week to stock up. Back with the dental care deals, we have 2 this week, including the $4 Crest Oral-B, $3 off of 2 digital, and a $4 reward when you purchase 2. This is a very straightforward and basic deal. Grabbing 2 of the Crests, that's going to be $8. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per toothpaste or toothbrush. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. With Colgate, it's another 50-cent deal. So we're going to grab the 450 products, $4 reward when you purchase 2, and we're probably going to get a $2 off of a paste and a $2 off of a brush. Grabbing 1 of each, that'll be $9 at $4.50 a pop. Subtracting $4 in digitals, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now this deal is back and it's on a 2-week cycle, so I don't think another 8 off 2 digital coupon will appear, but maybe it will. Sometimes it does with Dove, the Unilever company there. They do stuff like that sometimes. But grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $16. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $8. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per product. Now, if you're anything like me, my Fetch Rewards does not have a rebate for Dove. I know it did the week previous, making it really, really cheap, but it's not there anymore. Again, it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but really pay attention. Does Fetch have anything for you? Yes or no? Double, triple check. Now we're going to talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first one goes to the $9.99 Venus and Gillette razors. $6 reward when you purchase 2. Are there any on clearance? And do we have that $3 coupon? Yes or no? That is the question. Axe has a 5 off of 2 digital coupon, which is exceptionally generous. No deal for this one that I can see of as of yet, but load it. Don't question me on it. Just load it. That's a high value coupon. And my best friend, the Scott, $5, $1.50 digital. That deal is still going on. So we'll definitely look at various curbside deals with that, but I love that deal. I think I want to run off and marry that deal. And 3 for $15 on Lysol household products. Is it just the disinfectant sprays, or is it going to be the something else? I mean, $15 for 3 toilet bowl cleaners, that's a no, but this stuff we'll have to wait and see what pops up. And buy 2 get 1 free on the Coca-Cola products. If you're entertaining for Easter, you might want to get to Walgreens and pick up some drinks. Favorite, the Doritos are going to be buy 1 get 1 free, so we're definitely going to have to look into this because I mean, I know a lot of us really like to stock up when it's BOGO free, so we'll have to figure out a deal, probably curbside. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.